What's the meaning of cologne? Cologne. Cologne.
Cologne. Cologne. Cologne is a type of fragrance that is typically used by both men and women to enhance their personal scent. It is also known as eau de cologne, and has a light and refreshing aroma that is perfect for everyday wear. The name cologne comes from the German city of Cologne, where the scent was originally created. Today, cologne can be found in a variety of scents, from citrus and fresh to woody and spicy, and is often used as a finishing touch to one's grooming routine.